I was a member. I didn't even talk about. I was a member of the Boston Crusaders, drum and bugle corps 98 through '01, and I taught no two. And I fixed the instruments for the drum corps while I marched there, and I did a lot of free repair for them for years. And they came up to me at one point, excuse me, and I noticed that they were getting a new. I heard that they were getting a new Suvi trailer. I said, "What's going on with your old one?" This is when finals was in Denver. What was that? Oh, 03 maybe or something like it, or oh 04. I don't know. But it was somebody out there. It's like, oh, they're putting it in right now. The finals in Denver. They said, Mike, do you want our old trailer? We'll just drop it off of your house on our way back to Boston. So from Denver to Boston, they dropped off the old Suvi trailer, which became the BAC Horn Doctor Repair Shop. So I just had this repair shop I got, and maybe that answers it. Maybe it was oh 05. I think I got that in oh 05, when the storm had happened. And my first trip out on the road was in oh 06 with DCI. I went about a year and a half after the storm. So it was actually 2007 that I went down there, and I thought, what I do have is this repair shop. I have a skill that I could give to the community. The community I specifically really want to help is the musical community. So maybe what I could do is do free repair. And we gathered and collected a bunch of instruments with an incredible organization, founded by, in fact, a mutual friend of Cameron and mine. His family. He passed away just before he finished his degree in musical instrument, being a band director, and his family founded this organization where they're collecting instruments that weren't being used in closets and trying to put them in the hands of kids that needed them. And so I said, "Hey, I'm going to go down to New Orleans to do this free repair thing. If you've got any instruments that you'd like, I'd be happy to be the conduit to deliver these down in New Orleans." And so we actually got a little bit of a we went out and got some noise made about it and filled up a van of instruments, and it was a really incredible experience. Not only knowing that you made a difference, but being a part of that difference and actually witnessing and feeling and sensing that. And I tell a lot of people this story. There's so many things I could tell you about that first trip down. And just by saying that first trip will indicate that I did go down, at the request of the community that became, very welcoming and brought me in as a family. Is that I really understood how a company that does musical instrument repair, or musical instrument making, I thought, a company like us could actually make a meaningful difference in the community.